Welcome to the topic Creating Cover Letters for Job Application. By the end of this topic, you will be able to describe the importance of a cover letter, identify its key aspects, and craft a concise and engaging cover letter for your job application. Let us understand what is a cover letter. It is a personalized document that introduces you and highlights your qualifications for a specific job. In a way, it is a quick summary of why you are a good fit for the position. A cover letter is important because it creates your first impression to the employer. It demonstrates your interest in the position. It gives you an opportunity to showcase relevant skills and experience. And it complements your resume. It is important to consider the following aspects to build a professional cover letter. Research the job and company. Draft your cover letter. Proofread and review. Apply. As the first step, research about the job and company. Read the job application carefully and ensure you meet the requirements. Highlight important words or phrases in the application. Use these in your cover letter and make sure they also appear in your resume. Research about the company online, like what do they do? What does their About Us section on the website say? Check on anything important about their corporate culture, teamwork, leadership, and mentorship. And finally, list more information on key employees and their roles in the company. The next step in the process is to draft a professional cover letter using clean and clear font, appropriate email address and current phone number along with your LinkedIn profile, and make sure it is current. Use a simple format with contact information, addressing with specific name. A structured 3 to 4 paragraphs letter will make the difference. In paragraph 1, introduce yourself and specifically identify what job you are applying for. Include the reason for applying and also the source of the job posting. In paragraph 2, mention how do your qualifications meet the requirements of the position. In paragraph 3, tailor the content to the specific job and company. Showcase your accomplishments effectively. Emphasize why would you be a good addition to the team for that company. In paragraph 4, close the letter and be positive. Convey your passion for the position. Thank them and welcome questions. End it with sincerely and your full name. In the third step, you are required to proofread and review the cover letter. You can follow a simple technique of checking for spelling and grammar errors, consistency in format, and clarity and flow. Use tools like spell check, fonts, sizes, formatting styles, and also check content is clear and flows smoothly. You can review content for relevance to job description by ensuring your skills and experiences align with the job requirements. Highlight key points, qualifications, and also personalize the letter tailoring to the specific company and position. As final touches, ensure the tone is respectful and professional throughout. Double-check that your contact details and the employer's information are accurate and conclude with a strong closing that expresses your interest in the role and next steps. The final step in the process is to apply for the job. Typically, you can create a PDF of your resume and cover letter to submit. Do not send a Google Doc. PDF prevents any formatting issues with different programs or versions of the word processing program you use. Keep a list easily accessible of places you have applied with keywords about what the companies do, who is hiring, and what the job is, so that, if they call, you can quickly remember what you applied for. Have your schedule available so you can choose a date to interview quickly and confidently. You can follow these quick tips when styling your cover letter. Maintain a uniform alignment throughout. Don't go beyond a 12-point font. 1 to 1.5 margins are always a safe bet. Choose a formal font style. Here are some common cover letter practices that are best to adhere to. Tailor and customize your cover letter for each specific job application. Highlight key skills and achievements. Also emphasize relevant experiences that align with the job requirements. Be clear and to the point, aiming for a one-page cover letter. Maintain a formal tone, professional language throughout the letter. Proofread carefully by checking for spelling, grammar, and formatting errors. Don't use the same cover letter for every job application. Avoid generic templates. Focus on highlighting key points, not repeating everything from your resume. Keep your language simple and clear. Avoid jargon and overly complicated words. Don't include irrelevant information. Stick to what's pertinent to the job and your qualifications. Don't forget to sign off professionally. Use a formal closing and include your contact information. Thank you.